This video will be a training video on how to refill crash cart trays and surgery trays using the new RxVerify system. RxVerify is a part of the Rx Ideas web suite, and we'll start off by giving you an overview of the new trays. This is a crash cart tray. Each tray has a serial number on it and an identification tag. This will be used to track where this tray goes and what is expiring in this tray. In addition, the pockets are all labeled both with a barcode for the pocket number, in this case 13, what drug is in that barcode, and also how many, quantity of 6. Those will be used to barcode check refills as the items are put back into the tray. So in this case, we have a tray that's come back from a code. There's only one item missing, just for example, and in this case, we're supposed to have 6 epinephrines, and we're going to be adding 2 epinephrines that are missing. So once you find on the internet the RxVerify webpage, starting from the home screen, you will navigate to the RxVerify link, and then the initial restock will be done using the restock button. The first thing that's going to be asked is what is the serial number of this kit. And that is done by scanning the kit number. The kit number will be identified, and it will put you straight into what pocket is needed to be refilled. Whoever is filling the tray will then scan the pocket number. We are going to refill an epinephrine, 2 of them in this example. So I will scan pocket number 13. And on the screen, pocket number 13 is identified on the left-hand side, and it is asking for a barcode scan of the item that I'll be putting into the tray. So I will scan epinephrine. So these are the 2 epinephrines that I'm going to be putting in, and I'll scan the barcode. The computer gives me an audible match, and it is now asking how many am I putting in this restock quantity. I'll change this to the number 2, and also I will be putting in the expiration date. Now you'll notice at the top of the screen, you'll see that this pocket contains multiple items, and it is asking for the earliest expiration date, which may not necessarily be the item that you are restocking. So when I review all of the epinephrines, I see that this particular epinephrine that expires in December of 16 is the most soon to come expiration date. So on the expiration date, I'll click December of 16. It will default to the 31st of each month unless otherwise indicated, and then I will click Update. If that is the last pocket to be restocked and the restocking is completed, you can then be finished, and a pharmacist will then come behind and check this crash cart for correctness. And I'll go over that video next. I also failed to mention that when you are done filling the tray, the top of the screen will display what item is the most soon to expire in this kit. And this is telling us in red that calcium chloride has already expired in March of 16. And then that will then have to be pulled out or corrected, whatever is appropriate, so that the kit can leave the pharmacy with no expired meds in it. So make sure that you are checking that as well.